Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of the Black & Decker CS1250L circular saw, just so you can see what it's like out of the box. And I'll also try and do a little review of basic usage of the saw, just so you can see how it performs. It is, well, online it's rated rather high with some reviews, so let's see if it's as good as they say. Okay, classic instruction manual, not too thick like most of them, although it seems rather straightforward. In English, and looks like primarily in English. Maybe we get it elsewhere, maybe in an alternate language. The 3-pin plug for UK usage, and here's the saw itself. It feels nice and got a nice heavy feel to it. Cable seems nice and long. It's got the Allen key as well with it for fixing the blade on. Transparent plastic blade guard. Nice kind of feel plasticky surround, which will also reduce the weight. Doesn't feel too cheap either. And there's the other side of it with a lot of the information. It's got a laser guided function as well on this, so that'll be basically around here, I believe. First impressions, seems okay. I think it'll be up to the job for what I need it for. Let's look what else is in the box. Okay, we've got a plastic bag with, it looks like a attachment for dust. Yeah, that's an attachment to go on the side of the saw for dust extraction. So I'm guessing that just basically fixes on there like that, so you can attach a vacuum hose, which is rather useful. As well as that, there's another part. Now I wonder if this is part of the, looks like this is a part of the same attachment to go on for dust extraction. Okay, now here's the rather dangerous part, the saw blade. Again, nice and large, and not much to say about that other than it's a saw blade and seems rather robust, but that's what I would expect. I think there's something else as well, rather tricky to get to. Okay, just making sure there's nothing else there. And then there's I don't know if you can see it clearly, but we've got a guide here to go onto the saw. That'll be to get you correct depth for certain things. Again, with this, I'm imagining it looks like it goes onto the front of the saw in such a fashion. That'll attach on there so that you can get the perfect depth control for your cuts. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Next I'll try and do a video showing the use of the saw, and we'll see how it performs.